All you're going to need for this is blackstone griddle seasoner and a cloth.
Hey campers, today we're going to show you how to season your blackstone in your oven. So go ahead and preheat it to 300 and then we'll go from there. Alright, the next step is you want to place it in the oven, face it that side up for about 10 minutes. Alright, so the next step is you'll take it out of the oven, and this is when you're going to start seasoning it. Next, you'll want to take a heaping tablespoon onto it, and then you're going to start rubbing that in with a paper towel or a cotton cloth. Yeah. Now, it's probably smart to use tongs, but basically you're just kind of rubbing this in so it's thin, even coat across it. Make sure you do the front and back, sides, all of it. You want to protect all of it from rust. Then place it back into the oven on 300 for an hour. All right, so it's been in for an hour. Go ahead and preheat your oven now or set it to 400, and you're going to apply a second coat. Okay, this is what it looks like with one coat on. We're going to go ahead and do that 2 more times, but now on 400. So coat the entire thing, put it in for an hour, take it out, coat it again, and then for another hour. Okay, this is after the second hour on 400. For the third, and if you want to do a fourth and a fifth, you can. It's recommended. Get it up to 450. We're going to do another hour. As you can see, the color is darker than it was earlier. Still got some spots on it, but hopefully those will go away. Again, just make sure you're getting the whole thing, both sides. Really want to protect it from rust the best you can. Another tip, don't start this late in the evening. You want to do it early so you're not staying up till midnight. All right, last hour. Okay, we left it in overnight to cool off, so here's what it's looking like. Let's take a closer look. All right, let's just recap those steps again. So, first, 1 hour at 300, tablespoon each time. Second, 400, third, 450. You can do 2 more at 450 if you want. I think this actually looks pretty good. It beats doing it with just the burner because you get a nice even heat the whole time. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. And as always, have a fantastic day.